No more excuses. The truth that changes everything. The quiet enemy inside you. Every dream starts small. A simple idea, a quiet wish, a picture in your mind. You want a better life. You want to grow. You want to change. But something stops you. Not the world, not other people. It is inside you. This enemy is quiet. It speaks in a soft voice. It sounds smart. It sounds safe. This enemy is an excuse. An excuse says, not today. An excuse says, maybe tomorrow. An excuse says, I am not ready. An excuse says, I am too busy. Excuses feel comfortable. They protect you from fear. They protect you from failure. They protect you from effort. But excuses also keep you small. This is the truth that changes everything. Excuses do not help you. Excuses hurt you. Slowly, quietly, every day. You may not see it now, but your future feels it. Many people think success is about talent. They think success is about luck. They think success is about money. That is not true. Success starts with one simple thing: action. Small action, daily action, even when you feel tired, even when you feel afraid. Excuses stop action. That is why excuses are dangerous. Let us look at the most common excuses. I don't have time. This is the most popular excuse in the world. But the truth is simple. You have time. You choose something else. Everyone has the same 24 hours. Rich people, poor people, busy people, free people. The difference is not time. The difference is priority. You scroll your phone. You watch videos. You wait for motivation. Time passes. Your dream waits. I will start when I feel ready. This excuse sounds smart. It sounds responsible. But it is a lie. You never feel ready. No one does. Ready comes after action, not before. A baby does not wait to feel ready to walk. The baby falls. The baby tries again. The baby learns. You learn the same way. I am not good enough. This excuse hurts the most. It attacks your confidence. It attacks your value. But listen carefully. You do not need to be good to start. You need to start to be good. Every expert was once a beginner. Every strong person was once weak. Every confident person was once afraid. Growth is not magic. Growth is practice. I failed before. Yes, you did. So what? Failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson. The only real failure is stopping. If you quit, the story ends. If you continue, the story grows. Excuses often come from fear. Fear of pain, fear of judgment, fear of change. Fear asks you to stay safe. Fear asks you to stay still. But staying still has a price. The price is regret. One day you will look back. You will ask yourself one question. What if I tried? This question is heavy. This question is painful. That is why today matters. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next year. Today. Small steps today change your future. You do not need big motivation. You do not need perfect plans. You need honesty. Be honest with yourself. Ask these questions. Why am I really not starting? What am I afraid of? What am I avoiding? Do not judge your answers, just see them. Awareness is power. When you see the excuse, it loses strength. You start to understand something important. Your life does not change when you feel motivated. Your life changes when you decide. Decision is stronger than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Decision stays. Decision says, I do this even when I don't feel like it. This is the mindset that changes everything. Strong people are not always excited. They are consistent. They act when it is easy. They act when it is hard. They do not wait for perfect conditions. They move with what they have. You can do the same. Start small, very small. 5 minutes, 1 page, 1 sentence, 1 step. Small actions break excuses. Excuses love big goals. They hate small steps. When the step is small, the excuse sounds silly. I don't have 5 minutes. I can't write 1 sentence. I can't try once. You see the truth. The problem was never ability. The problem was belief. Belief that excuses protect you. They do not. They steal your future. But here's the good news. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are human, and humans can change. Change starts when you stop lying to yourself. Change starts when you choose action over comfort. Not once, but daily. This is not about being perfect. This is about being honest. Every time you act, you build trust with yourself. Every time you keep a promise, your confidence grows. Slowly, naturally. One day you wake up, you feel different. Not because life is easy, but because you are stronger. This strength starts today, not tomorrow. In the next part, we will learn how to replace excuses with action. We will build a simple system you can use every day. No pressure, no stress, just progress. Part 2. From excuses to action. Knowing the truth is not enough. Understanding is only the first step. Change happens with action. Small action, simple action, daily action. Many people know what to do. Few people do it. Why? Because action feels hard. Because action feels uncomfortable. But action does not need to be big. Big actions are scary. Small actions are friendly. Your brain likes comfort. Your brain likes safety. So, we use a simple rule. Make action smaller than the excuse. If the excuse says, I am tired, the action says, do 1 minute. If the excuse says, I have no time, the action says, do it for 5 minutes. If the excuse says, I don't know how, the action says, learn one thing. Small actions win. This is the first truth of action. You do not need motivation to start. You need a system. Motivation is like weather, sometimes sunny, sometimes dark. A system is like the ground. It stays. A simple system has 3 parts: time, place, action. Choose one time, the same time every day. Morning, afternoon, night. It does not matter when. It matters that it is fixed. Choose one place: a desk, a chair, a corner of your room. When you sit there, your brain learns this is action time. Choose one small action. Read 1 page. Write 1 sentence. Practice 5 words. Do 5 push-ups. Not more. This is your daily promise. Keep it easy. Too easy is good, because consistency is the goal. Many people fail because they try too much. They want fast change. Fast change looks good, but it does not last. Slow change is quiet, but it stays. Think of water and stone. Water is soft, stone is hard, but water wins. Every day, drop by drop. This is how you change your life. You also need to change your language. Your words shape your mind. When you say, I must, your mind feels pressure. When you say, I choose, your mind feels power. Change this. Do not say, I must work. Say, I choose to work. Do not say, I have to learn. Say, I choose to learn. This small change gives control back to you. Another rule is this: never miss twice. Missing once is human. Missing twice is a pattern. If you skip one day, forgive yourself. If you skip 2 days, act immediately. Do something small, very small. Break the chain before it grows. Excuses love long breaks. Progress loves short returns. You will also face bad days. Days when you feel tired. Days when you feel sad. Days when nothing works. On these days, lower the bar. Do the smallest action possible. 1 sentence, 1 minute, 1 deep breath. This keeps your identity strong. You are not someone who quits. You are someone who shows up. Identity is powerful. Do not say, I want to change. Say, I am becoming someone new. Someone who acts, someone who tries, someone who continues. Your environment also matters. If your phone is near, you will scroll. If junk food is near, you will eat it. Change the environment, not your willpower. Put your phone far away. Prepare your tools in advance. Make the good choice easy. Make the bad choice hard. This is smart action. You do not fight excuses. You outsmart them. Another important truth: action creates emotion, not the other way around. When you move, energy comes. When you sit, energy dies. Stand up, breathe, move your body. Your mind follows your body. Many people wait to feel confident, but confidence comes after action. You act, you survive, you learn. Confidence grows. Progress is not a straight line. Some days are good, some days are bad. This is normal. Do not quit on a bad day. Do not judge yourself. Just return. Return again and again. This is real strength. In this part, you learned how to move, not fast, but steady. You learned how to build a system. You learned how to shrink excuses. You learned how to protect consistency. Part 3. Becoming the person who never quits. Real change is not loud. It does not happen in one moment. Real change is quiet. It happens in small moments, repeated many times. Most people quit too early, not because they are weak, but because they expect fast results. They plant a seed today. They look tomorrow. Nothing grows, so they stop. But growth does not work that way. A seed grows under the ground. You cannot see it, but it is working. Your effort is the same. When you practice, when you learn, when you act, something changes inside you, even if you cannot see it. This is where patience matters. Patience is not waiting. Patience is continuing. Continuing when results are small. Continuing when no one is watching. Continuing when it feels slow. This is hard. But this is the difference between people who change and people who stay the same. You must change how you measure success. Do not ask, did I win today? Ask, did I show up today? Showing up is success. If you show up every day, results must come. It is not a hope, it is a rule. Nature works this way. Life works this way. No effort is wasted. Another truth is this: your past does not control you. Your habits do. The past is gone. Habits live in the present. When you change your habits, you change your future. Not with big habits, with small ones. Wake up, drink water, Sit down. Do the work. Simple, repeatable. Over time, this becomes who you are. You stop saying, I am trying. You start saying, this is what I do. This is identity.
Identity is stronger than motivation. When action becomes identity, excuses disappear, because excuses do not fit your new self. A runner runs. A learner learns. A builder builds. What are you becoming? You do not need to answer now. You answer with action. Every day. You will still feel fear. Fear never disappears, but fear changes. At first, fear stops you. Later, fear guides you. It tells you where to grow. If something scares you, it matters. Move toward it, slowly. Courage is not loud. Courage is quiet action. One more step. One more try. You also need rest. Rest is not quitting. Rest is part of the process. Sleep. Breathe. Enjoy small moments. A tired mind makes excuses. A rested mind makes decisions. Take care of your energy. This journey is not a race. It is a direction. Some days you move fast. Some days you move slow. As long as you move, you are winning. There will be voices, some from outside, some from inside. They will say, why try? They will say, this is useless. They will say, you are wasting time. Do not argue. Return to action. Action is your answer. Over time, something beautiful happens. You trust yourself. You say you will do something, and you do it. This builds inner strength. This strength is quiet, but unbreakable. You no longer need big words. You no longer need big promises. Your life speaks for you. This is the truth that changes everything. No more excuses, no more waiting, no more lying to yourself. Not because you are perfect, but because you are honest. You choose progress over comfort. You choose action over fear. You choose growth over excuses. Every day. This choice is always yours, and it always will be.
If this message hit you, then don't just watch and leave. Like this video, share it to someone who needs this wake-up, and subscribe to this channel. Study yourself 1 hour a day. We are building a different breed here, a new generation of doers, people who don't wait for permission, people who build themselves daily, people who compound quietly and become untouchable over time. Hit subscribe, join the movement. 1 hour a day, every day. And in 1 year, your future self will not recognize you anymore. Let's grow. Let's execute. Let's dominate our own potential. Subscribe now and start becoming the person nobody can compete with.